your vision.
Hello guys, today I'll show you how to confirm all friend requests by one click without any script or any HTML script. So let's start. If you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for don't miss any update of test tube video. So for this task you first need a extension to be installed. So where you find the extension, I will tell you. Click on open the Chrome browser, then click on settings. After click on settings, then you need to be install extension. Click on more tools, then click on extension. After clicking on extension, you search Facebook toolkit. Typing mistake. You need to be install toolkit for FB. You need to be install this extension. Just search this name. When you search this name, you find this extension. Then you click, then you install it. This size is 11 MB. After install it, then you log in your Facebook account. I used to be a fake account for this. See, I have so many friend requests. So now I accept this friend request by one click. So how? Let's see. Click on this extension which I install. Click this. When I click this, then scroll down. After scroll down, I find a option confirm all friend request. Accept or reject all friend request. Click on this. Then what's you need? You can confirm by 1 second, 2 second, 3 second. If you need to avoid, then you perfectly use 3 second is legal. Then click on accept all. Now see, accept my friend list is automatically. See, very simple. See my friend, I have 609 friend. Now I reload it. Now see, my friend is increased. So that was very simple. If you do have any problem, just comment below, or if you need any important tutorial, comment below and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Good.